Okay, so for today, let us discuss about solving simple equations using multiplication and division property of equality. So last time we have already discussed how to solve simple equations using APE and SPE. Today we will focus with MPE and DPE. Okay. So again, just like what we've done on our previous discussion, no, um, what we're going to do here is to isolate again our variables. Okay. Okay. So unlike earlier na ang ginamit natin ay transposition, no. So again, transposition technique is only done on equations having addition and subtraction or applying addition and subtraction property of equality, no? So pag mga ganito naman as equation, halimbawa 5x equals 15, no? So our given is a multiplication statement, no? 5 times x. So we have to apply the reverse process of it, no, which is the division property of equality, no? So kung i-imagine nyo nga naman, if we apply MPE, multiplication statement na nga, and still we apply MPE, multiplying it by 5, our result will not be a solved equation, no? So, ang magiging resulta natin is 25x equals 75. Our goal is to have only the variable x or 1x on the left side and the value of 1x on the right side, no? So, kung i-apply naman natin ang DPE, so if our given is 5x equals 15, dividing both sides by 5, we will come up with our goal of x equals 3. Na po. So, ang solved equation po natin dito is x equals 3. Okay, so this one. So, let us try the following examples. No, nakalagay dito 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kasi continuation siya ng ating discussion noong about APE and SPE. Okay, so let's take the first example for MPE/DPE. So, we have here 5x equals 35. So, kanina, ang given natin is 5x equals 15. And as you can see, what we did is that we divided both sides of the equation by 5. No? So, ibig sabihin, similar lang din po yung magiging process natin for this one. So, again, as you already know, if your given is numbered and letter written side by side, this one is a multiplication statement. Okay? And therefore, to solve the equation, we apply the reverse process, which is division. Kasi ang tanong na ito, parang tinatanong ka, anong number yung imumultiply mo sa 5 para maging 35, no? So, although mabilis naman siya, no, madali siyang i-analyze na magiging x equals 7 siya, kailangan alam natin yung process in the middle. No po, so for us to get our final answer, which is x equals 7, what we did is we divided the whole equation by 5, no? So, kung ano po mismo ang iyong numerical coefficient, siyang ipang-divide mo sa buong equation. Again, whatever your numerical coefficient is, that will be used to divide the whole equation and to solve it, no? So, if we're going to check, lagay natin yung checking. Sorry sa sulat. Okay, so if x equals 7, no. So, let us replace all of the x's in the original equation. 5x equals 35. Ayan. So, 5x, 5 times x will become 5 times 7. And tama nga naman, 5 times 7 is 35. So, dahil nag-equal yung left and right side ng equation, ibig sabihin x equals 7 is the solution to the given equation. Let's try or kindly try the next given. So, for the next given, our given is negative 2x equals negative 42. No, so unlike earlier na positive yung numerical, ngayon ang numerical coefficient natin dito is a negative integer. No, so kapag ganito, don't worry, no, just follow the process. Again, the process is for us to apply the reverse. No, kung ito yung multiplication, then apply division property. Okay, so let us copy first the original equation. And dahil multiplication naman yung ating original statement, we use division. Okay, so saan siya i-divide? So if you're going to analyze, what number should be multiplied by 2 to have 42, no? So kumbaga, we're going to divide para po ma-reverse natin or mahanap natin kung ano yung missing factor na yon, no? But since negative yung ating numerical, yung 2 natin ay pang di-divide, dapat negative din siya. Okay, so again, kung ano mismo yung kasama ng variable, siyang ipang di-divide natin. So negative 2x divided by negative 2 equals negative 42 divided by negative 2. So dividing our numbers, no, negative 2 divided by negative 2, cancelled na yan. Therefore, x equals 21. So negative times divided by negative, no, or negative times negative, parehas lang po yung magiging sagot. It will be positive. So let's do some checking. For the checking, if x equals 21, our all of the x's in the original equation, negative 2 times x equals negative 42, will be replaced by 21. So negative 2 times x will become 21, and 2 times 21 is 42. Attach the negative sign, or negative times positive, diba? Unlike signs is negative. So tama po yung magiging tama po yung ating answer, that x equals 21. Next one. So for the third given, we have here negative 6x equals 11. So you have to understand that not all the time you will arrive with an integer as the final answer, no? So there are times that you will have a rational number as a final answer. So let us apply the process in this one. So if our given is negative 6x equals 11, since the given statement is a multiplication statement, let us apply the division property of equality. Okay, so meaning we will divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x. So since the numerical is negative 6, divide the whole equation by negative 6. Okay, so negative 6x divided by negative 6, we have x equals 11 divided by negative 6, no? So this one is not a cannot be divided evenly, no? So kapag ganyan, we can just opt to answer it as a fraction, or pwede rin namang mix, no? So dahil dahil pag nag-mix ka naman at nag-substitute ka ulit, i-change mo din yung mixed sa improper para magawa mo yung operations, no? So let us just accept the final answer as negative 11 over 6. No, so let us check if our answer is correct. No, so for the checking, if x equals negative 11 over 6, all of the x's in the equation negative 6x equals 11 will be replaced by negative 11 over 6. So negative 6 times x will become negative 11 over 6 equals 11. So negative times negative, we already know that that one is positive. 6 times 11 is 66 over 6, and 11 equals 11, no? So 66 divided by 6 is 11. Therefore, x equals negative 11 over 6 is a solution. Ayan. So, for the next given, we have here a division statement, no? So, fraction yung given natin. So, ibig sabihin, MPE ang i-apply naman natin. Okay? So, let us apply MPE, meaning we will multiply both sides of the equation by whichever number is involved with our variable, no? So kung earlier ang ginawa natin is we divided by the numerical coefficient, no? Ngayon kung ano man yung number na kasama nung ating variable, no, since this one is 3, it's divided by 3, no, what we're going to do is to reverse the process and multiply the whole equation by 3, no. So again, you have to remember that the numerical coefficient of x is actually 1/3. No, 1/3 kasi yan. 1x over 3, 1/3. No, so this one can also be written as 1/3 x. And again, to shorten the process, what we're going to do is to multiply denominator, no, to the whole fraction, no, or the reverse, or the ano ba ang tawag dun? Reciprocal of 1/3, no. So pag binaliktad mo nga naman, 1/3 reciprocal is 3 over 1, or simply 3. Okay, 3 over 1 or simply 3. So now let us multiply. Again, what we do is we multiply, no, by the denominator, or we multiply by the reciprocal of the numerical coefficient. Since ang numerical coefficient ng x dito is 1/3, the reciprocal is 3 over 1. Okay, so let's multiply 3x. 3 times x is 3x divided by 3, and 5 times 3 is 15 over 1, or 15, no. So simplifying, we have 3x divided by 3, it's equal to x, and 15 divided by 1, syempre it's 15. Okay, so checking our answer. Sorry, medyo mahangin yata, no? Mainit kasi. Ayan, so for checking, if x equals 15, we replace all of the x's in the original equation. X over 3 equals 5 by 15, no? So maging 15 over 3 na to. And 15 divided by 3, we already know that this is 5. Okay, so dahil nag-equal yung left and right side ng equation, x equals 15 is a solution. For our last example, no, so this example uses, again, this one is also a division statement. So ibig sabihin, what we're going to apply is the multiplication property of equality. So let us change the color of the pen first. Yan. So by MPE, we multiply the whole equation by the denominator, or by the reciprocal of the whole numerical coefficient, no. So ang atin pong denominator is negative 4, this is 25. Ayan, so we multiply the whole equation by negative 4. If you're going to apply naman yung ating sinabi na the whole equation will be multiplied by the reciprocal of the numerical coefficient, ito po kasing x equals x over negative 4 is the same as negative 1/4 x. Okay, no, and para ma-simplify mo siya, no, maging 1 na lang yung numerical coefficient, we multiply it by the reciprocal, which is negative 4 over 1, or simply negative 4, no. So sana makita nyo po kung saan galing yung negative 4 na yon. So simplifying our equation, left side muna. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x divided by negative 4, no, syempre cancel na to, therefore we have x. Then for this one, negative 25 times negative 4, this is 100. Okay, so therefore x equals 100. So let's checking, no? Pag maalam ka naman mag-checking, makikita mo kung correct or hindi yung iyong sagot. Okay, so for checking, again, lahat ng variables and the equation x over negative 4 equals negative 25 will be replaced by its value, which is 100, no? So x over 4 will become 100 over 4, or negative 100 over negative 4, and 100 divided by 4 is 25, no? Dahil differently signed integers, pinag-divide mo, or unlike signs, the answer is negative. So tama naman, negative 25 equals negative 25.